Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to be talking about VDRs in the age of drone technology and aerial photography. Introduction of drone technology. The rise of drones in aerial photography began with the brief history and evolution of drone technology and its impact on aerial photography. Discuss the significance of drones in various industries, from real estate to agriculture, and the reliance on high quality aerial data. Introduce how video rooms become pivotal in managing the vast amounts of data generated by drone technology. Securing the skies. Virtual data rooms guarding aerial insights. Define videos and their core functionality in safeguarding sensitive data. Explain the importance of robust security measures for high volumes of data generated by drone technology. Detail how videos protect against authorized access and data breaches. Ensure that aerial footage and related data remain exclusive and confidential. Manage aerial data. Streamline data flow from drone in to decision. Delve into how videos can efficiently manage the large datasets produced by drones, including raw footage, processed image, and analytic data. Highlight the value of videos in organizing, storing, and sharing data among stakeholders in a controlled environment. Address the ease of accessing data for analysis and decision making, facilitated by the structured storage solutions provided by VDRs. Collaborative heights with VDRs. Collaborative flight plans. VDRs in the team operations discuss the collaborative features of VDRs that enhance teamwork in drone operations, such as project management tools and communication platforms. Describe the role of VDRs in coordinating complex projects that involve aerial photography, allowing for synchronized work among pilots, photographers, analysts, and clients. Explain how VDRs can streamline feedback and approval processes, making project oversight more efficient. VDRs and legal compliance. Navigating legal aerospace compliance and VDRs. Outline the legal considerations of drone operations, including privacy laws and aerospace regulations. Explain how VDRs assist in maintaining compliance with these regulations by securing sensitive data and providing audit trails. Emphasize the role of VDRs in documenting operations, ensuring transparency, and facilitating regulatory reports. Case studies. VDR in drone operation. A view from above. VDR success stories in drone tech. Present case studies where the use of VDRs has led to successes in drone-based projects. Share insights into how different industries have benefited from the integration of VDRs into the aerial photography workforce. Highlights the efficiency gains, cost savings, and enhanced security achieved through the use of VDRs. That's all for today. Hope you understand the topic. Thank you so much everyone, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.